I know I put the moon rock on a white cloud. There, I think it's that one.
Nope, not here. Think hard, Papa Blue. What shape was it?
It was sort of flat. Like that one.
Nothing. We better hurry up. It looks like there's a storm coming.
There it is. It's that one. And this time I'm sure.
Hooray! Let's go!
Have you found it yet, Baba Pink?
No! Have you?
No.
Are you sure you left the moon rock on this cloud? Baba Blue, this is the wrong cloud. Come on, we've got to find that moon rock. Huh? Where's the sky train gone?
We must have moved in the wind.
So no sky train and no sky horses.
Help!
So you went to get me some moon rock and lost it. And now we're stuck on a cloud with no way to get home.
It's not my fault.
Huh.
Hello, Baba Yellow. Where are Baba Pink and Baba Blue?
They went to collect moon rock ages ago.
There's going to be a big storm soon. Perhaps we should go and look for them.
Good idea, Baba Green.
Baba Pink,
Yes?
it's getting late and we've still got our jobs to do before nighting time.
What are we going to do?
I don't know. No one will see us in all these clouds. I'm sorry, Baba Pink. But if we work together, I'm sure we can get out of it.
You're right, Baba Blue. Let's think of a plan.
How about we make a big noise?
We won't be heard over the thunder.
We need to send a signal.
We could send bits of white cloud into the air.
Yes! Someone is sure to see them against all these dark clouds.
We've looked everywhere. Where can they be? What is it, Baba Green?
I thought I saw something, but it's gone now.
Look, what's that?
I think it's a signal.
Come on, let's follow them.
Hey!
Over here! They found us!
We thought we'd never find you. What happened? We were looking for some moon rock on a cloud,
And the cloud moved away from the sky train.
and then we were stranded. Moon rock? I'm sure I saw something earlier.
I'll call the sky train and we'll have a look on the way home. I'm glad you're safe.
Over there! I can see it! It's coming our way! Got it!
Thank you, Baba Green. I think I still got time to make Moon her moon rock cake. The sheets are piled, the clouds are set. washing wet. So come on, clouds, it's raining time. Scrub-a-dub, wash away that grime. It's wash day, splash day, rinse the dirt off day. Wash day, splash day, let's get this washing clean. Let's splish it, splash it, bring it, bash it, get this washing clean. Whoa! Wash day! I love wash day! Blanky! I want to wash Blanky! Cloudbabies! I want to wash Blanky! That's great, little star.
But the rain stopped. Look.
Ooh.
Don't worry, little star. Fuffa will help you out. Won't you, Fuffa?
Let's get that Blanky clean. Here you go, little star. Whoa! I'm getting a wash too!
Oh, Cloudbabies, the warm wind, it's nearly with us. Oh, it's on its way.
Thanks, son. Right, let's pick the washing ready for the warm wind to dry it.
All pegged.
Oh, I can't peg my blanket out to dry. Oh, poor little star. Don't worry, little star. I know the perfect drying place for your blankie. It's just right. It really is. Now all we have to do is wait.
It'll be as dry as sun's elbows once this warm wind comes.
Thank you, Rainbow.
Oh, here it comes. That warm breeze feels so good.
Perfect for drying our washing. And my blankie. The washing will dry in no time in this wind. The washing line snapped.
Got it! Whoa! 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 Oh no! Don't worry, Baba Blue. I've got you.
Don't worry, you two. Baba Pink is on her way. Yes! Oh, this looks fun.
Wind away, a wind away, a wind away. Flappity-flew! Oh, little star, I can't hang on anymore.
No! Come back! Blankie! My Blankie! It's gone.
I'm sorry, little star. The wind's too strong.